So one of the things, well, what we talked about was how, you know, the guys are educated and the education you give and all of those things. But what about, how do you keep morale up that isn't to do with the golf course? Do you do stuff off the golf course? Do you engage with the guys? Do you go out for a drink in the evening? Do you have kind of a summer part? What do you do to kind of keep everybody?
Have a lot. I mean, I always say that we are like a family.
Right.
I don't want people thinking that we drink a lot and things like that. But almost every week, for sure, we are gonna have an evening with some beers or some pizzas or a barbecue, and we just stay, you know, for a long and talking and joking, and no, we have great time as well with all the team at Legol Nacional.
Right, so not just the greens department, it's wider.
Right. Between the greens department, we do almost every week.
Right.
Almost every week we are having a beer and having good
Building
time.
that team spirit.
It's fantastic.
Great.
It's fantastic. We just, you know, it's fantastic. I mean,
and you seem like you really enjoy it as well, which is great.
We just can go out. I mean, and that's something that I don't know if I should do, but I'm doing here with this team. We just go out for a night out together, as I could go with my friends all my life, you know.
And I think, like your friends, you go out, you know, because you've had all that history, you rely on them, they rely on you, and I think in a tournament situation, you're going to rely on the staff to do the best they can do. And if you've got that team spirit and that family, I think is a brilliant word, that you can rely on them, they rely on you, and everybody works together. And you've got to kind of try and build that. And it doesn't just come for free. You've got to invest in that, and you've got to spend time doing it.
It's a lot of time. Personal time is a lot.
Yeah.
I tell you, it's a lot. Because always that you are doing that, you are not spending time in your personal life.
Yeah, of course.
So there is a point as well where, you know, it's quite difficult as well to
manage all that.
But obviously here and for me today, I'm just giving it all.
Yeah, I guess this is a time in your life to commit to this, and then there'll be a time later on to kind of reflect and think and kind of take some personal time after it's all finished.
Exactly. And I love these guys, and as I say, we have a great time. And yeah, with all the team at Legol Nacional, we have two seminars. We have a winter and a summer seminar.
Oh, okay.
We just go out, everybody.
Do you go away, or is that
yeah. You know the Moulin Rouge?
Yeah.
That is a very famous. But the last one was at the Moulin Rouge.
Right. Wow.
We were with all the team and looking at the the dancers and having good champagne, and we had a great evening.
Yeah, just
all the team together.
Brilliant. No, absolutely great. It just seems like, you know, from the people that we've met in your team, everyone feels so engaged in the process. Everyone feels really happy with that, and it's great. And it shows that, you know, you seem like you enjoy it. I think that's the most important.
From the general manager until the student, the intern, everybody,
But it comes from the top, and if you and the general manager are really engaged in the process and you're really keen to drive it, then everybody's on board. And so, it's great to see. Fantastic. Well, look, thanks for your time this morning.
It was great.